Hello everyone, just wanted to jump on here very quickly and do a unboxing. This is my very first order from Cupcake Polish from the actual website. Now I do have like two from a D-stash, and I really loved the application, the color, um, the color variations, and the different textures. So I finally decided to check it out and purchase some from her website. And I'm really excited because I don't remember what I ordered. So let's jump to this. And the packaging, oh my goodness, it's so cute. You know, it's so pretty. This is so adorable. So let's go ahead and open that up without me cutting my blanket. Oh, there's like some stuff in here. Okay, so I'm going to set this down very quickly. So I see a lot of goodies. Look at the packaging. Oh my goodness. I am making a quick video.
Oh, I don't know.
And your voice is going to be on it, so congratulations.
Does that mean I'm going to be famous?
Maybe. So anyways, talking to my husband. This is the box and what it came in. This is so cute. And I see a few goodies. I see, oh, thank you. A handwritten note, or with her handwriting. Oh, that's so cute. Thank you. And a adorable sticker. Oh, and, oh, okay. And, another card. And this one shows the care instructions and ingredients. And a nail filer. Okay, I'm not going to use this because this is so cute. This is the invoice. And this is the Polish and Beauty Expo that is happening July 18th, 19th, and 2020 in Nashville. I wish I could go. Not going to happen. But thank you for giving me this. And it shows all of the people who are going to be there. Oh, so exciting. So now for the fun part. I do appreciate those little touches. It's 6 polishes. Look at this gorgeous purple. It's called Jolly. Oh my goodness, I'm super excited. Atomic. Oh wow. This one is called Coffin Break. So pretty. This one is Sapphire. I got Sapphire because, well, that's my birthstones, and it's a beautiful holographic, glittery, deep blue. Oh my goodness. Oh, this one, oh yes, I am so happy. Jolly Roger. And last but not least, Blurple. And Honestly, I cannot wait to try them on. They're all so beautiful and so gorgeous in real life. I just love, love, love these colors. So I'm super excited to try them out. They seem similar, but one's a flaky and one is in a black jelly base. And this one is flaky. Super excited to try these out. I cannot wait. Well, that concludes my little mini haul. And I'm super excited I did purchase these. Thank you for taking the time to watching, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Have a good night.